Okay, so here is my pineapple upside down cake. It smells fantastic, and I only used a little bit of shredded pineapple. I didn't want to put too much, so I put just a little bit of pineapple on top of the brown sugar, and I added a couple of cherries. But as you guys can see, it smells amazing. So yeah, here's the cake right here. We bring y'all over here to my chili. Oh, it's smelling great. Hold on here. It's going. And you guys can see. Just letting that cook down. It is done already though. You can enjoy this right now. I'm gonna eat it as is. I have some bread here that I'm going to butter up and add a little bit of parsley on top. The bread that I am using is something I just picked up from the grocery store. Let me show you all. I'm gonna slice a couple of pieces of it. A Saigyo cheese meat with baked fresh. So I'm just gonna $5 for this. Slice off a couple of pieces because it's the whole loaf. And yeah, add some butter to that and then wait for this cake to cool off. And then yeah, I'll show you guys what it's looking like when I come back.